Hello, in today's episode we will listen to a conversation in English. If you like this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and comment on this video. And now, let's move on to the dialogue. Today's topic is at the office.
Hello. Welcome to the library. How can I help you?
Hi. I'm looking for classic books. Any recommendations?
Sure thing. Follow me to the classics section.
Thanks. I like stories by Shakespeare. What do you have?
Great choice. Here are Shakespeare's plays and sonnets.
Perfect. Any special editions you recommend?
For a complete collection, try The Complete Works of William Shakespeare.
Awesome. I'll take that. Anything else you suggest?
If you like poetry, Selected Poems by Emily Dickinson is great.
Cool. I love poetry. I'll grab that too. Thanks.
You're welcome. Enjoy your reading. Anything else you want?
Actually, do you have any easy philosophy books?
Absolutely. Our philosophy section is here.
Thanks. I want to learn about existentialism.
Nice choice. Being and Nothingness by Jean-Paul Sartre is good.
Great. I'll read that. Any other suggestions?
For something modern, try At the Existentialist Cafe by Sarah Bakewell.
Awesome. I'll check them out. Thanks for your help.
No problem. Enjoy your learning. Need more help?
Actually, I like mystery stories too. Any suggestions?
Certainly. The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo is a thrilling mystery.
Sounds interesting. I'll read that. Anything else you recommend?
For a classic, try Murder on the Orient Express by Agatha Christie.
Great. I'll get both. Thanks for easy choices.
You're welcome. Happy reading. Anything else on your list?
Actually, do you have any events or book clubs?
Certainly. We have book club meetings and author events sometimes.
Cool. How can I join or get updates?
Just sign up at the front desk for the book club. We also post updates online.
Great. I'll do that. Thanks for your help.
No problem. Enjoy being part of the community. Need anything else?
I'm good. This library is awesome. Have a great day.
You too. Happy reading, and see you around.
Vocabulary. Library. Classic. Recommendations. Plays. Sonnets. Complete. Poetry. Reading. Philosophy. Mystery. Learn. Thrilling. Dragon. Tattoo. Orient. Express. Choices. Community. Awesome. Reading. Thank you for watching. Check our channel for more videos like this one.